Hey there, welcome to Code Genius. In this video, we'll take you on a thrilling journey through the history of the World Wide Web, from its humble beginnings to the information and connectivity powerhouse it is today. Get ready to explore the visionaries, tech leaps, and milestones that shaped our digital world. Stay tuned for this exciting web evolution ride in under 10 minutes, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. ARPANET and early networking. ARPANET, created in the late 1960s by the U.S. Department of Defense, was a foundational precursor to the Internet. It was designed to facilitate communication among researchers and was the first network to use packet switching, the basis for modern Internet communication. The concept of hypertext. Hypertext is the idea of linking documents electronically through hyperlinks. Instead of reading content linearly, hypertext allows users to jump between related pieces of information. It was a groundbreaking concept that laid the groundwork for the non-linear structure of the World Wide Web. The invention of the web. Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, is credited with inventing the World Wide Web in 1989. His vision was to create a system that allowed researchers to easily share and access information over the Internet. Berners-Lee not only conceptualized the web, but also developed the first web browser called World Wide Web, later renamed Nexus. Concurrently, he created the first web server software known as CERN Hot. These two foundational components allowed the creation and viewing of the world's first web page, marking the birth of the web as we know it today. The web became publicly accessible in the early 1990s, marking a significant turning point in its history. Before this, it was primarily used by researchers and academics. Public access opened the doors for individuals and organizations to create their own web pages and contribute to the growth of the World Wide Web. The 1990s witnessed an explosive growth in websites and online businesses, famously known as the dot-com boom. This era saw a proliferation of internet startups, many of which had .com in their names, as the web became a platform for commerce, information, and innovation. It was a time of unprecedented optimism and investment in the potential of the Internet, laying the groundwork for the digital age we live in today. Importance of web standards. Web standards such as HTML and CSS are essential guidelines that ensure consistency and compatibility in web development. They enable web content to render correctly across different browsers and devices, providing a unified user experience. The browser wars was a period of intense competition between web browsers, primarily Microsoft's Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator, during the late 1990s and early 2000s.
This rivalry led to rapid innovation in browser features, but also resulted in compatibility issues for web developers.
Web 2.0 represents the second generation of the World Wide Web, characterized by its emphasis on interactivity and user-generated content. It shifted the web from a static, read-only platform to a dynamic, collaborative environment where users actively contribute and engage. One hallmark of Web 2.0 was the explosive rise of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. These platforms enabled users to create, share, and interact with content on an unprecedented scale, fostering online communities and reshaping how we communicate and share information. The modern web continues to evolve rapidly, with trends like progressive web apps, PWAs, gaining prominence. Offer app-like experiences within web browsers, enhancing user engagement. Web development frameworks and libraries, such as React and Angular, have become essential tools. They simplify web development and improve the user interface. It's crucial to recognize that the web is in a perpetual state of evolution. New technologies, design paradigms, and user expectations continually shape the digital landscape, making it a dynamic and exciting field. Watch our upcoming video as we unveil the enchanting secrets behind how the Internet works.